Hi, Mr. Davis here. Today we're going to make a guacamole dip. Now, what you're going to need for this guacamole dip is you're going to need a butter knife. Make sure it's a butter knife. You're going to need a spoon, and you're going to need a fork. Also, what you're going to need is you're going to need a mixing bowl so you can mix everything with. You're going to need some garlic salt, some lemon, and avocados. So first what we need to do is we need to take our butter knife and we need to take one avocado and we're going to cut it. You're going to cut it all the way down. You're going to cut it until you reach inside, because as you can see here, I'm pushing all the way through and it's not going all the way through because there's a pit inside. So you want to cut it all the way around. You want to push as hard as you can because you're going to get that pit. Cut it all the way through just like that. Once you get it around, as you can see, put your knife down, you can turn it, and then as you turn it, it's easy to open, just like that. Then what you want to do is you want to take your spoon, because you have a pit in one side and not the other. So what you want to take is you want to take your spoon and you want to take this pit out. Just like that, put it in there, okay? Then with your butter knife, what you want to do is you want to make a cut in your avocado just like so. Go down, cut, and cut. Then you want to go this way, turn it sideways, and then cut this way, just like so. Then what you want to do is you want to take your spoon, okay, and you want to go around your avocado with your spoon, over your mixing bowl. You want to pour it right inside, just like that, okay? Now that we got all the avocados cut up and put into our mixing bowl, we want to take our fork and we want to mash the avocado, like so. Get it nice and mashed. Okay, once you have it mashed up, like so, then you want to take some garlic salt. And what you want to do is you want to take the garlic salt and you want to sprinkle about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I do about 7 sprinkles, but you can do it whatever you think is best for our taste. So you just do that, and you mix a little bit more there. Then, because this nice green colored avocado dip is nice and green here, you want to keep it nice and green. So the best way to keep it nice and green, is to take this lemon right here, squeeze a little bit of lemon into it, like so. Just a little bit, get enough in there, and then mix it around again. That way the lemon keeps it nice and fresh and keeps it staying green, because without the lemon it would turn a little bit brown. It would still taste good, but it would just look brown. You want to keep it as green as possible for at least a couple of days, depending on how much we make.